Welcome sa aking channel. How to change membership category, correction of name, and marital status in Pag-ibig Fund. Ito yung mga requirements needed. Prepare the following: Members Change of Information Form, Marriage Certificate issued you the Philippine Statistics Authority or National Statistics Office or local civil registry office, at valid ID acceptable to the fund. Ito yung mga documents na sinubmit ko nung pumunta ako sa Pag-ibig Office. Once you have a printed copy, start to fill out the form. Write your Pag-ibig MID number here. I use a black ballpen and write in block or capital letters. If no changes made, please indicate an A. Wala na akong nilagay na check mark dito sa following information that may be changed or updated kasi walang naka-indicate na checkbox. So proceed here, our name. Ang sinulat ko dito is yung maiden name ko pa. Last name ko pagkadalaga. Then nag-change of membership ako from employed to voluntary. Dito na sa section na to yung change correction of name, dito ko na sinulat yung last name ng husband ko. So from pangalan ko nung pagkadalaga to pangalan ko with M husband's last name. It's okay if hindi mo gusto baguhin yung apelyido mo, it's up to you po. Then NA lang ang ilagay if no changes sa correction of date of birth nyo. Sa change of marital status naman, put a check mark on the checkbox from single unmarried to married. At lagyan nyo ng checkmark if you want to use your husband's surname or use maiden name, husband's surname or retain your maiden name. Sa akin naman, check the husband's surname kasi yun yung ginamit ko sa correction of name ko. Next, sa spouse naman, write the name of your husband. Sa change of address or contact details naman, if may gusto kang i-change, please write your permanent home address and your present home address. Please indicate if sayang address mo preferred ang mailing address mo. Put also the changes of your contact details if there's any. If wala, please write an A. Sa change of employment naman, an I lang yung nilagay ko. Wala na rin akong sinulat sa updating of years and others. So sa signature and name naman ang ginamit ko ay yung last name na ng husband ko din pangalan ko. Sa signature naman hindi ko na binago kasi hassle na if mag-change pa ako ng signature. Pwede naman magpalit ka ng signature, nasa sa inyo na yun. These highlighted texts are the requirements needed once may gusto kang baguhin ng pangalan mo and marital status mo.